Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your COVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of COVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. We have just wrapped up Consonants Month at COVO, a month where every exercise in our live vocal workouts included consonants. So in today's routine, we're going to do a comprehensive review, revisiting a few consonant families from the last two routines and adding a couple of new challenges. Our goal this month has been to recognize that consonants are small events in our airstream, in our breath flow. Some consonants briefly stop that breath flow. Others simply narrow the airstream. But the listener should hear one continuous ribbon of sound. So I want you to think of these drills today as breath support work with diction riding on top. So let's start with a plosive tune-up. If you sang along with our vocal exercise routine of the week number 1, you might remember that plosive consonants, also called stop consonants, momentarily stop the air. We have 6 of these in English. B, D, G are voiced, P, T, K are unvoiced. In this exercise, we will sing first on the syllables ba-di-ga, on each note of this pattern. We want the breath stoppage at each consonant to be so brief that the ear is convinced that your air never truly paused. So this way of thinking also prevents bursts of air after each consonant. We don't ever want to vomit air out after a stop consonant. That's a lovely image, I know. So let's get our legato on and give it a try. Ba-di-ga, 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 ba. 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 Now coming down, let's change to the second line syllables, which are the 3 unvoiced plosive siblings of the 3 consonants that we just sang. P, T, K. Pa-di-ga, 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 pa. 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 Now, for a little extra challenge, let's try alternating the voiced trio and the unvoiced trio. Ba-di-ga, pa-di-ga, ba-di-ga, pa-di-ga. See if you can keep them straight. Pa-di-ga, 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 pa. 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 How'd you do? So next up is an articulation exercise showcasing tongue-only consonants. Now these are consonants that can be made solely by a movement of the tongue and do not require movement of the jaw. Easier said than done, as you will soon see. The contact and release of each consonant, n, l, d, g, it can be made by just the tongue tip or the mid-tongue while the jaw stays neutral and quiet. Let the jaw hang easy, no chewing, no thrusting. If you'd like, you can lightly rest a hand or even just a fingertip on your jaw as a monitor. If it moves, you are recruiting it unnecessarily. This exercise goes like this. Just the tongue. Let's start with the top line syllable, na. Try the second line syllable, la. Be sure to use just the front of the tongue to pronounce the L, la la la, not the back of the tongue, la la la. So let's give those a try. Now, finally, we will use the pair of syllables digga, 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 digga. So we're going to pick up some speed like a snowball rolling down the hill, but be sure that your jaw stays calm as we do. Third line, please. Digga, 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 digga. Stabilize your jaw. Now we'll speed up. Great job. So to finish this workout, we will compare voiced and unvoiced fricatives as we warm up our high notes. Now you might remember continuant consonants from last week's workout, ones where the consonant sound can continue for as long as the air flow continues. Well, a fricative is a special type of continuant consonant that is made by passing air through a narrow channel, so it gently hisses. We've got s and z, its voiced sibling, f and v, sh and zh. And since the air continues, that means you have to manage that airflow and support the consonant. Now, we don't want to overblow s or under support. I want you to try brushing each consonant sound on the same airflow that you will need for the upcoming pitch and vowel. So here's the exercise. And we're going to start by alternating the first and second lines of text. Sing a song. I am a zombie, right? S versus Z. Notice which seems easier for you, the unvoiced consonant, S, or the voiced one, Z. Let's try. Sing a song. Next line down. I am a zombie. Sing a song. Sing a song. Zombie. I am a zombie. Sing a song. I am a zombie. Sing a song. I am a zombie. Did you have a favorite? If you did, make note of that, and we'll try the next pair of words. Light the fire or jump the vault. So we'll try them both back to back. Light a fire, jump the vault. Light the fire. Light the fire, jump the vault. Jump the vault. Light the fire, jump the vault. Light the fire, jump the vault. And which was your favorite there? Finally, let's do the sh and zh. Give a shout. And, we actually don't have English words that start with the zh sound. So we're going to use a French word, genre. Give a shout. Give a shout. This is a genre. That is a genre. Give a shout. 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 That is a genre. Last one. Give a shout. That is a genre. Great job, great job. So I encourage you to use this exercise routine in the coming week to help you perfect your legato consonants while you also work on your breath support and warm up your voice. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we've got more for you. Every week, we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any new warm-up routines, you can subscribe to the channel to see each new routine when it posts, or use the link in the description below to get each new routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Covo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.